It was 102 degrees out. We pulled into our campsite and we found out that our power pedestal had failed. But this little $15 item saved the day, saved the whole trip. Don't leave on your next RV adventure without this $15 item. Hey friends, I'm Chuck with Lake to Lake. Welcome back. Here we talk about RV tips, gear, and the freedom of travel after the age of 60. I'm 67. Today, I want to show you one small item that really saved our trip. This little item costs less than a drive-through lunch, but it could save you from a serious RV headache and lots of money. We're going to save money and safety, two things we like on this channel. We were pulling into our site after 5 hours on the road, and I go to plug in the pedestal to get shore power to the rig. No juice. I could smell something burning. You know, a little electrical type fire. Turns out we had a power surge and our pedestal took a big hit. If I'd plugged my rig in blindly into the power pedestal for shore power, I could have fried our whole electrical system. Refrigerator, microwave, TV, you name it, could have been gone. But I had this little guy right here, a $15 tester. It checks the power pedestal before you ever plug your rig into it. And just like that, I knew it wasn't safe. I got hold of the camp host, and the camp host showed him my little tester. He took a look at it, could smell a little bit of burnt stuff, and he said, you know, I think we need to find you another campsite. So I said, well, where do you think you're going to put us? So I checked it out with this before we moved the rig. This is how it works. You plug it into the You plug it into the power pedestal with the power off. You flip the circuit breaker to on, and then you look at it. Get 2 green lights here, you're good to go. In the other combination, walk away. It's simple, it's safe, just a lot of peace of mind. If you're over 60 like me, you want a trouble-free camping experience. You don't want your RV going up in smoke. You don't want all the electrical components fried. This tool's a must. It's lightweight, it's cheaper than a drive-through lunch, and it's easy to use, even if you're not a techie. I've dropped the Amazon link down below. I don't have an Amazon store, so I don't make any money off it. But check it out and grab one for your next trip. Just a little bit of peace of mind. And hey, if you've ever had a campground scary story before, put it in the comments. We can help everybody out that way, and I love to hear a good story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell if you want more no-nonsense RV tips from folks like you and I who love to travel, but we don't like the stress. This is a stress remover. So, until we meet around the lake, y'all take care now. Bye-bye.